Hey everyone, welcome to Hunters Connect. Today we're going to show you how to package burger using a grinder and burger bags. In the last video where we made burger, we showed you how to grind the burger meat down using a coarse grind plate and also showed you that fine grind plate. Today we're going to use a stuffing plate to turn this burger into packaged meat in your freezer. We'll start by putting the grinder together. You're going to want to drop your stuffing plate over the auger. You'll see where it fits in. There's a little groove in there that allows it to seat right in there. And on top of that, we're going to set this stuffing tube. That'll allow us to put the bag over top of the tube and fill it with the burger. On the back end, there are teeth on this piece right here that'll fit into grooves inside your grinder. So you're just going to want to line that up. It'll seat right in there. Screw this in. Snug that up. Set the tray on top. Snap that in, and we're ready to go. Today, we're just using bags like this that you can get at pretty much any sporting goods store. But you notice they're just a little bit different than the vacuum seal bags that we've used in the past or the plastic wrap and butcher paper. This long bag, it just makes it easier to put it over that stuffing tube. And as that meat comes out, you'll fill it up, but just kind of makes that process easier, and that's what we're going with today. I've also got a cardboard box here, but you can use any sort of tray. If you had multiple trays like this, you could use it just to store your burger when you're done before we seal them up. But just the box, something like that, will just help keep things organized, keep things together, keep things clean. So next, we're just going to load up this tray with burger. When you're stuffing bags with burger, it's helpful to use that plunger. This is kind of all clumped together, and it's not just going to want to fall down there like those little chunks we had when we made the burger. So use that plunger just to stuff that down there and help kind of control the pace at which you're filling those bags. First, we're going to take the bag and just slip it over this tube. Get it all the way to the bottom. You see that bag's going to crinkle up a little bit. That'll help just keep air out of there. So we're going to just push a little bit of this burger down there. Start to get it down in that tube where the auger is. All right, that seems like it's full. We're going to turn on the grinder. You'll feel that start to fill that bag. You want to keep some tension on it so it doesn't just pull that bag away until the bag actually gets filled up. So we're just gonna smack that on the counter a little bit just to help push any air up and out and let that burger settle in there. And you'll see we're right at that 1 pound line. Give it a few twists. We'll set this one off to the side. After that, grab your next bag and just repeat that process. Slide the bag over, get more burger down that funnel. Turn the grinder back on. So now it's time to seal and label your burger bags. What I like to do is give them just another little pound on the table to make sure that burger's all together. Give them a good twist to start to seal them off and make that tight. Then what you want to do is set this in that groove and keep the edge of the bag near the edge of the dispenser. That'll help keep that tape close to the meat. Just push down, it'll cut it. And there's a little blade on here to allow you to trim off the excess. And there you go. You've got a burger bag that's sealed. All that's left to do is label it, put it in the freezer, and enjoy it. Thanks for watching Hunters Connect.